What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Update. So we've got all of our suspension stuff now, all the steering stuff I should say, all the boots, the right correct size, tie rod ends and the tie rods, all the right size. So we're going to start again and swap everything over. So remember this, we discovered that everything was the wrong size. To take this off was 24 turns. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to pull this whole end off and then put the new one on. And then do a little bit of a sort of time-lapse thing with that, I think. See how we go. So that's it, it's all back together. I'm just going to put the zip ties around here. It's going to give this sort of surface in here a little bit of a clean up first. Went on really well, nice and easy, nice and snug. Feels decent too. We've obviously compared that to this stuff that's just cracking and disintegrating. Just from age, but that's alright. So these are a smidgy bit shorter than the original ones, but I don't know if you saw in the last clip there, I sort of made sure that it counted the screws and still, and lined this all up, made sure it was still like sitting at the same spot. So that's all on there, that's all set to go. So I put the zip ties on and then can start on this side. Alright, so that's that end done, and that's that end done. So now we have brand new outer tie rods, inner tie rods, and boots. So no more bloody grease or oil or whatever getting everywhere all under the subframe, which is hiding down there on the floor. Then give it a quick wipe up, and then I might actually reattach it to the subframe. And there you have it, steering rack's back on the subframe. All new bits and pieces, shiny bit of satin black. Giving this a little bit of a wipe down, it didn't really come up very well. I didn't want to spend hours and hours and hours on polishing something that would never be seen again. But yeah, that's progress so far. Almost forgot, quick shout out to Anthony down at Burson's in Hastings. Absolute legend. Sent him the measurements of the original steering rack stuff that was the wrong size. He managed to look it up and get the stuff was the right size, and it fit perfectly. Go down and check him out if you're down in that way. Order some parts, he'll look after you. Alright, so here is the lower subframe almost completely all back together. We've got one of these new bushes here. The old one wasn't too bad, didn't look cracked or bad or anything, but you know what, I'm replacing it, might as well just, replacing the other one, so I might as well replace this one as well. So that one's a brand new mount. These are just like a balancer, it's like a rubber thing. Same with this one, just a bit of a rubber thing. I'm still waiting on the front mount, which was the actual one that was busted. So on the last video, it like full came through the side of the, like it was almost coming straight out. Gave it a good sand back, gave it another paint as well. There's the underside there. Just use the cat hair. So yeah, that one's all good, almost all good, ready to go. Having a bit of drama with the eBay seller for this particular mount, as well as one of the other engine mounts. Yeah, so I'm waiting for this other mount over here with this eBay seller. I ordered it like on the 20th of December, so it's been just over 3 weeks. Still no tracking, no nothing, so I'm sort of in the middle of dealing with them. Hopefully that'll be next week. So now the steering rack's all done, back on the subframe. This part of the subframe is all painted, just ready, waiting for one more mount back over here. Yeah, that's about it. for this week. Still waiting on other stuff. The front sway bar, who knows when that'll be here, probably bloody mid-February at this point. Other mounts, I got the other engine mount that arrived as well, the one on the gearbox side. I'll do the engine mounts, the actual engine mounts, all in one hit, and I'll just sort of touch base on this subframe engine mount. Do a tutorial on how to take them out, best way to do it. It's pretty easy, straightforward. Yeah, that's about it. Next weekend is Lardner Park for the Come Try MotorCon on the 18th of January. If you're watching this after that, you've missed out, unfortunately. Look up Shutdown Motorsport on Facebook. I'll add a link to this in the description to that event. So hopefully next week my video might be a little bit late. The MotorCon is on Saturday, so I'll probably be there all day basically until it finishes. Edit up some videos and start posting stuff. Following week, I'll probably get onto the front brakes, do them while the subframe is out. You see down there. Take the calipers off, put the new rubber set through, give them a paint. Yeah, so that'll be the next video, and then hopefully not too much longer after that, the sway bar will finally arrive. Then you put the whole subframe back underneath, put the car back down on the ground, check for leaks, etc. Maybe a bit of a test drive, see how it handles now, how it steers. Yeah, that's it. So that's it for me this week. Words are hard. Like, comment, maybe drop down in the comment. Ask me questions, like why I fell in love with the GTIs in the first place. Especially if you don't own one. If you do own one, maybe put in the comments about what you like about them, and maybe with some mods that you've done to yours. Yeah. Anyway, hope you have a good week. Happy New Year as well. Yeah, catch you in the next one. Uru.